XRP, it's inching closer. It hit $2.85. We've got ONDO at all-time highs, crushing it today. Two of our top picks. Bitcoin, struggling a little bit. But listen, let me tell you guys this. We are on any day 100K watching out for Bitcoin. It could happen any day now. There are some arguments. The longer it takes, the better for crypto for this run. I'm not a financial advisor. And I think that what we're looking at right now is a situation where everything was primed for Bitcoin to hit $100,000 today or tomorrow. And I still think it very possibly it can. But that's why I say we're on any day watch. But the thing is that what we're seeing right now is maybe the lull that we've been wanting for the altcoin season. Polygon, our number 9 coin for the year of 2025, it had a massive pump today. ONDO is going to be on the list. Haven't recorded that one yet. I've got it on the list. We're going to be recording a lot of those today and tomorrow. So get ready for these. ONDO's on the list. Big shocker, right? XRP is not on the list because we're not doing any of the same coins for 2024 because if you're not in XRP already, what can I do? Can I convince you? Come on, let's be for real. Solana also won't be on the list for that reason. So we will not be on the list for that reason. They're all going to be top coins 2025 again, okay? But we went risky with Polygon, and look, it's already paying off for you guys that listen. And, you know, when you really actually look around at XRP and ONDO, I've got a really big, I got something big for you guys, something really big for my XRP people. For my ONDO people, you know, this is a massive run. When we see coins take off like this in a time like this, it usually means it's not done well. Okay, take profits, you want to take profits, but I'm telling you guys, people didn't get this at a super low price point most likely. And I think that some people might have got it, I don't know, around 40 cents maybe, if I remember correctly. But I think that definitely as this thing continues to become a monster in the space of BlackRock, pay attention. But what I really want to talk about today is my next XRP price target. Why? I've been told not to even look at the all-time high. I've been told that the all-time high for XRP is a given. This is not, I don't know, it depends on where you look. I think $3.21 is generally what I see as all-time high. I was there when it hit an all-time high, guys. If you haven't been here 3 cycles, you weren't there. But I was there when it hit it, and I was there when Brian Armstrong hit the button on Twitter and told people that they weren't going to put XRP on Coinbase at that time. He didn't say XRP specifically, but the tweet he made definitely indicated that, and it ended the bull run. That was the end of the bull run. That was it. Because altcoins pumped in the beginning of 2018. In January, Bitcoin hit its all-time high in December. So I told you guys, remember, middle of November to the middle of January, these are key times, key times in crypto. But the big thing I want to tell you guys for my XRP Army friends is that, you know, you got to keep in mind, we have big things coming, guys. We have big things coming. I told you guys there would be some big stuff coming. Mr. X told us in the AMA. But here's the thing. You start thinking about when Gary Gensler actually steps down, what that's going to look like, and who his replacement is going to be. His replacement is going to be bullish. Okay, I'm going to tell you that for sure. His replacement is going to be bullish on crypto for sure. It's not a question. I know all the candidates. I'm connected with many of them, and I'm really looking forward to seeing who these candidates are going to be because, man, I'm super excited about this SEC pick. We're going to see a different tone from the SEC going forward. It will still do its job. There will be times when we criticize it greatly and we don't agree with what they're doing. There'll be times they go after stuff we like and we don't want them to go after. Still, that's their job, okay? But the point is, it's going to be much more exciting. And when you start looking at these things, that we could see some really cool, action from XRP. I'll give you guys the number. Are you guys ready? You guys ready for the number? I've been told, okay, so 98,000 for Bitcoin, okay? 98,000 was a level that I explained to you had to be broken before Bitcoin could get to 100K. And that doesn't mean, okay, pierced, it means broken. There's not really some huge resistance at 98,000, okay? And 98,000 was a number I had to get up to and it had to clear. Well, I had been told what the next price point for XRP is. And it's making me think that my $6 to $8 kind of revised XRP prediction may be too low for the entire cycle, actually. I may have way undershot it because I just didn't see all this stuff coming this quickly. I saw the price moving, but I didn't kind of see the stuff with Gary Gensler stepping down. I mean, I guess, it was obvious, but at the same time, I guess what I'm saying is the reaction to it when it's obvious has been way more interesting and bullish than I anticipated. I thought everybody would know that, right? So the thing is for XRP, I've been given the next target that they're looking to clear out, okay? So you can expect a lot of profit taking around this level, okay? And that'll be the first time. Then they'll challenge it again. They'll keep going until they break it, but we don't know the timeline for that. But the number for XRP, okay? Now look, I don't want you guys to hear this number, and I don't want you to say, oh my God. No, it's not massive or anything, but it's a big, it's a considerable price jump from here. What I would consider it to be from this kind of market cap, a very considerable price jump, okay? The thing is that if you've been in XRP for a while, guys, take profits. Nothing is guaranteed. Just remember to take profits. But the way that I would handle this is I would take out about 25%, probably when it gets closer to the all-time high, or even now you could. And then when it hits the next number I'm going to give you, so you should take some more profits. $4.50. $4.50 is the next target for XRP. Okay, think about that. Now, this isn't a number on technical analysis. Maybe it works there too. It would be a price discovery, so it can't. I mean, you could maybe, you can draw some, some anticipatory lines, I guess. But the point is that that's a big jump. That's almost a 2x from here. It's like a 75% jump, maybe somewhere around there. With this kind of market cap, that's massive. Guys, XRP passed Tether in market cap, okay? It's coming for Ethereum. And just think about this. What do you think about this? Let me ask you a question instead. Here's the question. You guys put it down in the comments. What would the market cap be of XRP if it hit $4.50? You guys figure that out, put it down in the comments. And then what I want you to think about is, how close is that to Ethereum, okay? Is XRP gonna pass Ethereum in this bull run? I think most definitely. After seeing what we're seeing and hearing the next price targets and looking at Ethereum, Ethereum's gonna have to have a big pump to stay ahead. That's what's gonna happen, it's gonna have to. Ethereum's gonna have to move pretty good if it wants to stay ahead of XRP. And that's questionable. Even if, I don't see Ethereum getting to $10,000. If Ethereum gets $10,000, what's the market cap? You guys figure that out. And then figure out what would the price of XRP be if it caught that. You guys put all that stuff. You guys have some conversations. We got Discord and stuff. You guys want to check out. Don't forget to sign up for Phemex. You guys trade XRP there all day. Phemex token big, killing it. Down in the description. That's all I got.